Hi, I'm Mark Parcell, and this is my place, South Main Sounds, the premier singer-songwriter venue in Memphis, Tennessee, where original music is the king. I'll be your host, and we're going to take you inside to show you what it sounds like and what it looks like when the lights go down on South Main.
Listen to that wine flowing in the back, it's beautiful. I'm but a man inside a tin can. I walk alone to my empty home. Scars on my face, tears on yours. I can fight through my pain. Can you fight through yours? Gone are the days, oh, when we had it all. Gone are the days, oh, summer's turned to fall. Gone are the days, oh, so we've been told. Gone are the days, oh, of our youth and gold. Of our youth and ooh, of our youth and ooh, yeah. I can't sleep tonight. You're not by my side. I worry too much that you can't feel my touch. You're so strong and I'm so torn. I sing songs 'cause I don't have a soul. Gone are the days, oh, when we had it all. Gone are the days, oh, summer's turned to fall. Gone are the days, oh, so we've been told. Gone are the days, oh, yeah. I need you more than you need me. I get worried that you'll up and leave. I need you to know before we get too old that I love you. Gone are the days, oh, when we had it all. Gone are the days, oh, summer's turned to fall. Gone are the days, oh, so we've been told. Gone are the days, oh, of our youth and gone are the days, oh, when we had it all. Gone are the days, oh, summer's turned to fall. Gone are the days, oh, so we've been told. Gone are the days, oh, of our youth and gold. Thank you.
It's always rewarding to have a performer play in front of peers and family. It gets kind of nerve-wracking up on this stage, so any support group helps.
Lots of things change, memories fade, but I can never quit working on the winter wheat. The tires leave ruts in the dirt. All you need is a tractor and some hard work, and someone who will always be working on the winter winter wheat. It won't go back to the way it was, back when it was so simple and you do what it does. Back when I was in love, I thought I was in love with the winter wheat. I like to call this black and white. We were always just day and night. To add to it all, seasons change, and I forget about the wheat as the winter fades. I put things in my mind to convince myself every time, 'cause the day I quit being me, you were working on the winter wheat. So as the summer fades and the leaves turn brown and fall off the trees, I'll be here and you'll be working on the winter wheat. Thank you.
We want to thank the Pirtles for being involved in South Main Sounds Live and all the support they give to the South Main Historic District. A little history: Valentine's Day 1957 is when the first Jack Pirtles location opened up, and 59 years later, most people will tell you it's the best fried chicken in Memphis. We want to thank you again, and everybody stop by one of these Pirtles locations and show your support.
Take your time, take your will, call it what a day. Shattered by your own reflection, why are you so afraid? Find yourself thinking that everything's a lie, but you can't hang on if you can't see through it. Open up your eyes, it's your chance to let it shine. You're so beautiful tonight, you're so beautiful, you're so beautiful tonight, you're so beautiful. Take a drag off your cigarette and blow it to the wind. You always feel like you're driving down a road that never ends, and you find yourself thinking that everything's a lie, but you can't hang on if you can't see through it. Open up your mind, 'cause it's your chance to let it shine. You're so beautiful tonight, you're so beautiful, you're so beautiful tonight, you're so beautiful tonight, tonight, the light. light shines so bright like diamonds in your eyes. You're so beautiful tonight. You're beautiful. You're so beautiful tonight. You're so beautiful. You're so beautiful tonight. You're so beautiful tonight. Tonight the light shines so bright like diamonds in your eyes. You're so beautiful tonight. You're so beautiful tonight, 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 tonight. Thank you so much.
We've had nearly every genre of music represented here, and we're proud of it. It's not uncommon for bands to strip it down into solo or duo and come play our stage.
Her worn out shoes, they've been over 10,000 miles, but every once in a while they catch a break from passers-by. This tired girl, she's screaming and mad at the world. She wanna go lay down and curl up with someone that feels the same. She don't need no helping hand. She don't want no other man. Just a temporary feeling of the void. But now she's gone. She never knew me all along. But I'm telling her this in a song in hopes that you might understand. She don't need no helping hand. She don't want no other man. Just a temporary feeling of the void. I hope someday she come back to me and she stays until I can find a way. I'll be missing your worn out shoes. Thanks so much.
Hey, this is the Five Spot Restaurant. It's in the same building as Ernestine and Hazel's. There's a menu inspired by Kelly English, a full bar and restaurant in the back, and it's hooked onto Ernestine and Hazel's, home of the world famous Soul Burger. So if you want great dining, come to the Five Spot. You want a soul burger, dancing, live music, come to Ernestine and Hazel's. You can't lose either way. I'm standing with David Bunk at Reel to Reel Photography on South Main. He's going to give us a little insight into what he does.
Thanks, Mark. What we do at Reel to Reel Art Gallery is provide people with some amazing pictures of Memphis so you can have that connection with you in your home or your office. We've got canvas prints. We've got metal prints. We have prints you can frame yourself. You can even bring us your own artwork on a digital file, and we can create it for you as well. We have a lot for Memphians and for people from out of town, or great presents, or you can be stingy and buy it for yourself. But a lot of options, a lot of cool stuff. Come see us.
There you have it, reel to reel right here on South Main. I'm standing in front of the Arcade restaurant on South Main. It's Memphis' oldest cafe. As a matter of fact, Elvis and his family love to come in here, and they've dedicated a booth in the back where they like to sit. It's great Southern food, hospitality with a lot of history. They start lining up pretty early for breakfast, but if you want to eat like a king, come down to the Arcade.
I thought I'd do this song called Singing to the Wall, which is about the media, really. A few years old now. It's about what was in the news at the time, among other things. Thinking that a reporter's job really is just to sort of, if they see like a murderer on the street, they're about the only people that rub their hands together and go, great, you know. So this is called Singing to the Wall. Sitting in front of my TV, I see the picture but it don't touch me. How many men in a motor car? How many died in Africa? Information is coming through. Is there something I'm supposed to do? Singing to the wall. I guess I must be lazy after all. Flicking through a magazine, taking in the ugly scene. They had something to sing about the day that Amy Winehouse checked out. Did it go the way the stars decide in the same week as Lucian Freud? I'm singing to the wall. Guess I must be lazy after all. Well, that was good, but here's the best. The press are turning on the press. They're saying that they'll bring him down as soon as see the moon on the ground. And Rupert shows no sign of fear. He's been running the show for years. I'm singing to the wall. Guess I must be lazy after all. Storm clouds are moving in. Everybody's cashing in. The smart money is in the can. The paintings by Robert Zimmerman. As any schoolboy Joe would know, he ain't got that much longer to go. Singing to the wall. Guess I must be lazy after all. The body wrote upon the page, all the world's a stage. So from the start of each new day, we all have a part to play. Singing to the wall.
Guess I must be lazy after all. Singing to the wall. Guess I must be lazy after all.
Hey, I'm with Tanya from Historical Haunts Memphis. She's going to tell us a little bit about the spookiness going on.
Oh, we have a lot of spookiness going, and it starts right here at 546 South Main Street. We are a haunted tour and event company. We have a lot of unique and original tours that are only here in Memphis. We have our unique haunted pub crawl, which you would like. We have our Woodger Fontaine ghost tour. We have a bus. We have a haunted bus tour that roams the streets of Memphis, and our award-winning walking ghost tours. So do not forget to come on all of our tours and keep calm and haunt on.
I look forward to that.
It's a lot of fun.
I'm standing here with Chef Michael Patrick at Rizzo's Diner, and he's going to tell us a little bit about his place.
Hey Mark, how's it going?
Good.
This is Rizzo's Diner by Michael Patrick. We're conveniently located in South Main, where we do our Southern-inspired cuisine. Constantly trying to always use the freshest product we can get from local farms, and most of our meats are sourced there also. So come on down, have a bite to eat or a cocktail at the bar.
There you have it, Rizzo's, South Main. Hey, I'm with Eric Evans at Saatchi down on South Main. A lot of things going on in here. I'm going to let Eric tell us exactly what it is.
Awesome, Mark. Greatly appreciate y'all coming out. How you doing, guys? Welcome to Saatchi Clothing and Design. Up front, you see all these lovely t-shirts that we actually hand print right here in the back of the shop. And then my lovely wife, Rachel, heads up our salon with another beautiful lady, Miss Ashley. A couple other things we do, custom t-shirts, logos for not only our neighbors, but regionally. We got a big old t-shirt machine that we actually take on site and screen print right there. Mark, you're a great neighbor, and we have some shirts coming up for you, right?
We do. Looking forward to it.
Absolutely, Mark. Greatly appreciate you.
Thanks, bud.
So we'll leave you with this one. You guys have been so good, and I appreciate it. But I need you to help me just a little bit on this last one. Now, I'm not going to ask you to sing along or anything like that. I can see that there's too much talent in the audience and we would be overshadowed. But I want you to picture, if you will, a bunch of lonely guys all sitting table for four, party of one, watching a beautiful waitress walk around in a Mexican restaurant. Hola, my pretty senorita, I see the brightness and the sweetness in your eyes. I've never seen a face that's sweeter. One look at you and I begin to realize I wanna speak Spanish. I wanna speak Espanol like I grew up in old Monterey. I wanna speak Spanish and understand Spanish to hear every word she might say. I look around and see the faces. The food's not good there, but it fills up every night. She knows their orders and their places. They don't need languages for her to get it right. I wanna speak Spanish. I wanna speak Espanol like I grew up in old Monterey. I wanna speak Spanish and understand Spanish to hear every word she might say. I bought some books and tapes and software. Signed up for night school, switched to Latin radio. I gotta tell her how much I care. I want the feature of that restaurant to go. I wanna speak Spanish. I wanna speak Espanol like I grew up in old Monterey. I wanna speak Spanish and understand Spanish to hear every word say. Right now we talk about tortillas, but she can tell that there is more I wanna say. There's something in her buenos dias that says she'd listen if I only learned the way. And I know what I'd say. I wanna speak Spanish. I wanna speak Espanol like I grew up in old Monterey. I wanna speak Spanish, yeah, and understand Spanish to hear every word she might say. And understand Spanish to hear every word. Thank you very much.
Thank you, everybody.
We love to come to Memphis.
We want to thank the Pirtles for being involved in South Main Sounds Live and all the support they give to the South Main Historic District. A little history: Valentine's Day 1957 is when the first Jack Pirtles location opened up, and 59 years later, most people will tell you it's the best fried chicken in Memphis. We want to thank you again, and everybody stop by one of these Pirtles locations and show your support. We hope you've enjoyed the show tonight. You can get us at meetmeinmemphis.com. Find us on Facebook for all the schedules of the upcoming live events right here at South Main Sounds. Thank you.